Welcome to the intriguing world of cryptocurrency mining, the foundation upon which the dynamic and digital world of cryptocurrencies is built. Imagine mining as the digital equivalent of mining for gold, except here, you're mining for digital coins. Cryptocurrency mining is the process where new coins are brought into existence and circulated, playing a pivotal role in maintaining and securing the ledger of transactions, which is critical to the operational backbone of cryptocurrencies. As we delve deeper into this exciting journey, we'll explore not only how these digital treasures are unearthed, but also why mining them is crucial for the broader crypto ecosystem. By understanding the mechanisms of mining, you'll gain insights into its significant benefits, such as the secure and decentralized verification of transactions, empowering you to not just participate in the crypto world, but also to contribute actively to its integrity and growth. Ready to dig into this digital treasure trove? Let's get started. Delving further, the choice of currency you mine is not just a decision, it's a strategy. Aligning this choice with tools and resources that provide thorough market analysis sets you up for a promising start. Tools like CoinMarketCap are indispensable, offering real-time data on market caps, coin supply, trading volume, and historical data, which can sway your decisions towards more profitable mining endeavors. This segment will guide you through analyzing these critical data points, helping you choose a cryptocurrency that suits your resources and offers potential for substantial returns. Remember, the right tools empower you to make decisions that can withstand the fluctuations of the crypto market. By leveraging these resources, you're not just choosing a currency, you're setting a foundation for your mining journey. Continue with us as we proceed to align these strategic choices with the ideal hardware to maximize your mining efficiency. In this segment, we explore the heart of cryptocurrency mining: the hardware and software. Understanding these tools is crucial for anyone looking to enter the mining scene. Starting with mining hardware, the options range from graphics processing units, or GPUs, to more specialized equipment like ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits designed solely for mining. Each type of hardware offers distinct benefits and efficiency levels. While GPUs are versatile, ASICs provide unparalleled efficiency for specific cryptocurrencies. It's essential to balance cost and efficiency as you choose your hardware. When it comes to software, programs like CGMiner and BFGMiner dominate the market. They provide a robust interface for managing your mining operation, from monitoring your hardware's temperature to adjusting your mining strategies based on real-time market data. Choosing the right software maximizes your hardware's mining efficacy and adapts to the specific cryptocurrencies you target. Stay tuned as we explore practical tips for enhancing your mining journey, ensuring your efforts are both powerful and aligned. Entering the world of cryptocurrency mining can seem daunting, but wise choices can significantly maximize your returns while minimizing expenses. Let's focus on investing in your mining equipment. It's not about the costliest gear, but about finding tools that deliver the best return on investment. Do your research, comparing the efficiency and longevity of different hardware to make cost-effective decisions. Considering joining a mining pool can also be beneficial. While solo mining has its charm, pools increase your earning chances by leveraging collective computing power to generate blocks and rewards more frequently, reducing the risks of unproductive efforts. Moreover, staying updated on the latest trends and shifts in the cryptocurrency market is vital. Regularly engaging with reliable crypto news sources, forums, and community discussions will not only keep you ahead in the game, but also enable swift adaptation to any market changes, securing your mining endeavors' profitability. As we continue on this path, remember, each step should be made with informed, strategic decisions. As we near the conclusion of our guide to cryptocurrency mining, we pivot to a vital aspect: ensuring safety and efficiency in your operations. The heart of mining, though robust, demands constant vigilance. Electrical safety is paramount, requiring strict precautions to prevent accidents and ensure uninterrupted activity. Securing your mining setup extends beyond physical security to include protecting your digital environment, implementing strong anti-malware software, firewalls, and secure network configurations is crucial in defending against cyber threats, safeguarding the valuable currency you mine from digital theft. Additionally, regular maintenance of your hardware is crucial not only for longevity, but also for operational efficiency. Proactive upkeep, from dusting off rigs to updating software and monitoring the health of each component, minimizes downtime risks and extends the effectiveness and safety of your setup. Through careful planning and regular oversight, your mining journey can be both safe and productive. Join us for more insights to empower your cryptocurrency endeavors.